Your perception is your reality. However, that also means that your reality differs from the people around you. Deep within these realities are our implicit biases, formed through learned associations and social conditioning. It would be how we grew up, who we surrounded ourselves with, what we watched on TV or read in the paper, or any of the media that surrounded us, or the people that have influenced or impacted our lives. These implicit biases, if left unchecked, exist to guide our reactions as opposed to help us respond on a moment-to-moment basis. The way we see something will determine how we respond to it. If we see something as hard, it'll be hard. If we can't see ourselves doing something, we won't. 6th through 8th grade mentors, I'm Rob Samp, and continuing to build upon our themes of self-awareness and self-management, this week we're learning how to critically evaluate our own perspective. Question 1. How can you motivate yourself to change your perspective on something that you feel strongly about? Question 2. If you experience a challenging situation, how can your perspective change the way you approach that situation? For this week's activation assignment, students will write down something that is very tough in their lives at the moment on a piece of paper without their name on it. Once those students have turned those papers into the teacher will read each situation aloud for the students to then generate some potential solutions or just offer up their perspective to that situation. The goal here is that the student with the said situation will be able to hear a bunch of different perspectives on their issue so that they can start to think about that issue in a different light. 6th through 8th grade mentors, thanks again for joining us this week. I'm Rob Samp. Next week we are setting long-term goals. See you then.